Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode. This one is going to be just how the toolbox that I found for $100 on Facebook Marketplace ended up after the rework I did. Part one of this one will be up here. You will see that I went through this thing and I put some rust preventative. It's a POR 15 alternative. I put that in the bottom of all the drawers and any rust that there was on the bottom. There wasn't really a lot of rust on the top two boxes. I put the rust preventative stuff on there and then I painted it. I'll put a link to the paint that I used down below. It is a little bit brighter, but it's pretty dang close. We reattached the Craftsman logo that I found in the box, and then we put drawer mats in it, and then it was ready for service. This is going to be a quickie, just showing you how it ended up. Check it out. Alright, so this is going to be part two of this installment. I don't know how much further I'm going to go with it, but it is POR'd. A very good portion of the top was rusted clear back to here. I just decided to do the whole thing, right? This corner was rusted, that corner was rusted, and the side of this was rusted. It's almost like this was out in the weather on this side. Put a coat in all of these. This was by far the worst drawer. Yeah. And I want to be honest with you, this actually is not the real deal POR. This was some stuff on Amazon, and I think it works just fine. It had great reviews, and I'll put my hat in the kitty too and say it does work pretty well. For this, I don't care. It's not ever really going to see, at least while I own it, it's not going to see any outer elements. Man, it is hot out here. And there's a Blackhawk.
3 days later.
Alright, so last night I POR'd it. Today I went over to Home Depot and I found some paint and I painted it, and then I've also cut out the square for the top, and I'm digging it. I decided that I liked that bar red, so I painted it red too. But yeah, I'm overall happy wise. And here it is, guys. This is the final product before I put this thing to use. Is it perfect? No, but it is very functional, and I feel like it will last me a long time now. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Okay, I just pulled my Mustang back in the garage, got the Craftsman into service. Not a lot of point in showing you all the crap in it. Keep your eyes peeled at these yard sales and Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, if you're in Utah, Idaho, KSL. This one was a yard sale on Facebook Marketplace that I found this. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this rework. It was actually pretty simple. Could I have gone further and done a lot more? Absolutely. What's the point?